A great state of flavor.
Hey, JahLion, bruh, we appreciate the mix, man. I don't have time to sit up in no office today, fooling with him. You already got us in trouble last week. What up, Jah?
Yeah, but you don't know, just a weekend warm-up mix, man, of course. Yo, make sure you link me on that Instagram at JahLion Zone.
Daddy, appreciate you, Jah.
Yeah, my pleasure, man.
Hey, where your boy, Black Tony?
That's your boy, man. I don't rock with him no more.
You the one recommended him.
I know that's one of my biggest failures in life, man. I regret that every day.
Hey, hello.
You heard what JahLion is? Why you be dissing JahLion?
All right, don't talk about me behind my back, shawty. Hey, JahLion, I got beef with you anyway. Well, but when I see you, shawty, it's hands. Right?
Man, you ain't about to do nothing.
No, shawty, when I see you, it's hands, boy. I'm telling you.
Jah, you heard that, Jah?
Man, Black Tony got the most mouth in the wall and he ain't come see me at the job yet.
Okay, let me tell you, shawty, on site. Hey, shawty, on site, for real, shawty. On site for real,
Jah, don't let it punk you out, Jah.
Man, ain't nobody scared of Black Tony. Be crazy.
No, cause I want.
Hey, Jah, let him know where you from, Jah.
Yeah, I'm from the Virgin. We don't play them games on there, you know, Tony.
I don't care where you from, boy. Go back to Mexico. I don't care where you from.
Tell him where you from, Jah. Don't let him mess up your hood like that.
Even if Jah can't fight, he sound like he can, boy.
Jah, you about 6'4". Jah, how tall are you, Jah?
6'4".
Hey, Black Tony.
Tony about 5'5" with the most mouth in the wall. Big man, ain't nobody scared of you.
Hey, let me tell you something. I punch you in your stomach.
Jah,
I know to punch you in your stomach.
Jah, I know you ain't gonna take that standing up, Jah.
I'm gonna knock you, shot. I'm gonna knock you down, throw a hamburger in your throat. I know you don't eat no meat, shot. You gonna choke yourself.
Jah, now I ain't trying to mess with you because you vegan, Jah. Holla at him, Jah. Don't let him.
Yo, you're instigator.
As soon as you lay on the ground, boy.
Jah, you went to Savannah State University. You went to an HBCU. You just gonna let him talk to you like that?
Yeah,
Black Tony ain't even been to college.
Red hot sauce in the mouth.
Jah, you do all these parties for the Qs and the AKAs and the Deltas, bro. You just gonna let him. You got back up, bro.
Yo, I cannot take Tony. Yo, the dude is like 5'5". I can't take him serious. I'm so sorry.
But I kick you on the skinny knee, boy.
Rickey Smiley morning show, baby.